Hello, I'm Paul Hamilton. I'm a elder and estate planning attorney, and I want to talk to you a little bit about whether or not you should give your children their inheritance early. So, a study that was done by a retirement investment company said that 60% of the people over the age of 60 would like to give their children their inheritance before they die. So, there are pros and there are cons to doing so. The pros are that you could go ahead and give that to your children and let them enjoy that uh, while you're still alive and watch them with what they can do with it. The second problem is, what will they do with it? You have to think about whether your children are at an age where they could be responsible with their funds. And you also have to think about, if you were to give your child a gift, would it be subject to their creditors or their debtors? Would it be subject to a possible divorce that may happen? Those are things that I like for people to think about when they want to pass along their wealth before they die themselves. So there are ways to work around those types of issues. If you have a child that has an addiction issue, or a spendthrift likes to spend their money, so, and we all know our children. I can't tell you how many times I meet with folks and they're like, oh gosh, Johnny lets a dollar will burn a hole in his pocket. He likes to spend money. But Freddie, he's tighter than bark on a tree, and he'll squeeze a nickel as far as it could go. So those things factor in. Those are the kind of things that, as your estate planning attorney, that I like to know and that I always ask, because those factor into how we design a plan. So that's a little bit about what to do, or what things to think about if you're considering leaving your wealth to your children before you pass. I'm Paul Hamilton with Hamilton Estate Planning. Have a great day.